Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, kaibigan, gayam, higala, amigo, kufun, bagay, abyan, sangkay, aro, lagi. Kamusta? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. At ang iyong lingkod ay nandito na naman sa Kingdom of Maharlika 777 Morningstar Foundation Incorporated. New location, brand new topic. At ako ay maghahatid na naman sa inyo ng bagong kaalaman, hiwaga, karunungan, at katotohanan. Dito, ang lahat ng katanungan ay may kasagutan. At aming bubuksan ang iyong mga kaisipan. Dilim ay bigyan ng liwanag, maling paniniwala, iwawasto ng
So, ito ang pag-uusapan po natin. Hello? How? Bakit? Where we are now? Are we under the 666 program? Or we can convert that 6 in a higher level to become 7? What is the reason behind? Okay. So, in that fighting faith of Mr. Marcos, he's telling us about the united secret of redemption, or what we call the word settlement. For your clearer understanding, we want the 77 Morningstar Foundation Incorporated to expose one and for all about the united secret book of redemption. There is a book of treaty. There is a word book, and the certificate of ownership. Of course, there are only 12 states in the United States, the original. The United Secret Book of Redemption says, E pluribus unum, which means from many to one. from this human na gumaganap, which I think, I'm sure that we have a president whose name is 737, is Rodrigo Roa Duterte going to that 77333-777. And the word history, so I have to tell you who are the states about the G7, Chicago, Illinois, D4, Cleveland, Ohio, B2, New York, New York, Boston, Massachusetts, Richmond, Virginia, Atlanta, Georgia, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Dallas, Texas, San Francisco, California, St. Louis, Michigan, and Kansas, Kansas. G10. So it's really very hard to decipher if you are not directly connected. Because there is a certificate of ownership. Let me, without your knowledge about, there is an uncut dollars which I will expose today, Mr. Papalato, with this. Okay. And the certificate of ownership so, since the Federal Reserve, there are four. First, the Federal Reserve note, the Federal Reserve, Federal bond, and the federal system, also this United Secret Book of Redemption. That is United Secret Book of Redemption, that this country, we have to clear this to each and every one of you, that this will transfer the bulk of money for 12 regions. Sad to say, we have 12 hours in a day, 12 hours in a night, 12 months in a year, 12 disciples, 12 regions, 12 states of United States. So, dinagdagan nyo, saan tayo kukuha ng budget? That's the problem of doing your own thinking. There is a plan. So, it's very clear that the unified board decision that they will transfer. It was been transferred in the Philippines. Please read carefully so that you will understand.
Thus, through the Federal Reserve basic powers concentrated and vested in us as Board of Directors located in Washington, D.C., together with the top officers of the 12 District Federal Reserve banks throughout the nation, who has boldly took a unified decision of risks for the transfer of this vast and enormous bulk of amount into territory which has already been known secretly by the present leaders of this government. We do hereby depose and say that whatever may be the outcome of this, all the responsibilities and decision-making will be shielded by the Banking Acts of 1934.
So that Banking Act of 1934 is what we call the Bank Secrecy Law. Okay. So, are you happy, Filipinos, viewers?
Yes.
That you know that the Federal Reserve is not owned by the United States of America, but it was owned by the Maharlika people. Why? Mr. Marcos, his favorite number is very lucky in this number 777. That's the reason why he built the cultural center in only 77 days. Now, for those people who have not viewed what we have exposed about the 6 numbers, you have to watch in order to understand what we are exposing today about why 777. The United Secret Book of Redemption, it says 777. So, why 777? Are you ready? Just click. Read. And subscribe. If you want to be part ng ang samahan ng bagong liping Pilipino to become a royal, if you do not just okay, do not click. It's just okay. It's your choice. If you want the ultimate truth, click. Subscribe. Here. The 777 is the personal name of God, since nobody they cannot decipher. But if look at this 777, which means with people A, ahi, we are the only country of the world who use 7. That's the name of God. And the English, European, they use God. G-O-D. If you will reverse or invert, it becomes dog. So do not invert, please. God, which means He is the generator, operator, and destroyer. And those Latin, they call it Deus. D-E-U-S, which means Dominos, Universos, Eternos, Solitarios. There is only one God. But we use Bathala. Bathala. So if you want to learn more, just come to the kingdom of Maharlika and learn more. If you want to be godly, seek ye first the kingdom and His righteousness, and everything will be added to you. Now we have to answer for the question of many others. Why 777? The 7 keys to power, or what is the power or the magic of 7? 7 is a holy number. There are 7 days in creation. There are 7 days in a week. 7 phases of the moon. Every 7th year was sabbatical. 7 times 7th year was jubilee. 7 ages of life of man. 7 division in the Lord's Prayer. There are 7 Bibles, 7 churches in Asia, 7 graces, 7 deadly sin, 7 senses, 7 sorrows of the Virgin, 7 virtues, 7 joy of the Virgin, 7 precious things of the Buddha, 7 slavers of Jesus, 7 lamp of architecture. Apostle chooses 7 deacons. Enoch, who was translated, was 7 from Adam. Pakibasa.
Mababasa po natin sa Jude or Judas verse 14. At ang mga ito naman ang hinulaan ni Enoch na ikapito sa bilang mula kay Adam na nagsabi, narito, dumating ang Panginoon na kasama ang kanyang mga laksa-laksang banal.
Enoch was 7 from direct lines. Siya ang hindi nakaranas ng kamatayan sapagkat he walked with God.
Genesis chapter 5 verse 22. At lumakad si Enoch na kasama ng Diyos pagkatapos na maipanganak si Methuselah.
Sandali lang. Sinong kasama niya?
Diyos.
Diyos.
God.
So, in that reverse scheme program, yung nagiging si Noah. Baliktarin niyo lang sila. So, ini-encourage kayo that sabi ni Mr. Marcos that you use the Bible code. Hindi man dumating sa inyo sapagkat ito'y inilihim. Namili ang Diyos. Inilihim sa lahat ng panahon at ito yung panahon para malaman nyo kung sino yung mga pinipili ng Diyos. Pagkibasa, inilihim ng mahabang panahon.
Mababasa po natin sa Colossus chapter 1 verse 26. Maging ang hiwaga na inilihim sa lahat ng panahon at lahi, datapwat ngayoy ipinahayag sa kanyang mga banal.
See, sa ngayon, ipinahayag sa mga banal. Even though basa ka ng basa, kung walang Espiritu Santo na tutulong sa iyo hanggang sa pag-aaral na lamang. Kaya ang sinasabi ng banal na kasulatan, lagi na lamang silang nagsipag-aral, pero hindi umabot sa katotohanan. Jesus Christ is the number 77 in direct line. Anong number? Si Jesus Christ? Pagkibasa po. Diretso lang po. Marami tayong ilalantad ngayon. Sana wag na putulin ni Joris ito. Kasi lagi naman siya, itutuloy. To be continued. Sige, Berto.
Enoch, who was translated, was 7th from Adam. Jesus Christ was the 77th in the direct line. Our Lord spoke 7 times on the cross, on which He was 7 hours. He appeared 7 times, and after 7 times, 7 days, He sent the Holy Spirit, the hand of Him that was in the midst, or in the minds. 7 lamps before the Spirit, 77 golden candlestick, and 7 stars. 7 spirits of God, the book with the 7 seals, the lamp with 7 horns and 7 eyes, angels hearing 7 sounds of the trumpets, 7 plaques, 7 vials of wrath. The vision of Daniel was 70 weeks, and the elders of Israel were 70. There were also 7 heavens, 7 planets, 7 continents of the world.
Sandali. Ang nawawalang dinala, yung anak, yung binhi. Kasi hindi mapatunayan ni Jesus Christ kung wala siyang anak, kung wala siyang lahi. Di sana, sorry for cutting this, sana ay katulad na tayo ng Sodoma at Gomorrah. We are undisciplined mammals. Okay? hindi tayo nakakilala ng disiplina dito sa Pilipinas. Buti na lang, meron tayong isang presidente na nagdisiplina ngayon. Ang kailangan nagkakaunlad ng ating bayan ng disiplina. Pakibasa po. Kung hindi nag-iwan ng konting binhi, ay nagaya na tayo sana sa Sodoma at Gomorrah. Kailangan ma-explica mabuti para magiging maliwanag ng mga iba. Okay.
Ayon po sa Roma, Kabanata 9, talata 29, at gaya ng sinabi ng una ni Isaias, kung hindi nag-iwan sa atin ng isang binhi ang Panginoon ng mga hukbo.
So, hindi nag-iwan ng binhi, kung hindi siya nagkaanak. Maraming hindi nakakalam ito, lalo na kung tumama kayo ng relihiyon. Delikado. Sige.
Tayo'y naging katulad sana ng Sodoma at naging gaya ng Gomorrah.
Yeah. So, it was being revealed in the Bible na dinala hanggang sa ikatlong langit. Pero, kung ano man ang kanyang features ngayon, ano man ang kanyang height, ano man ang kanyang sports, ano man ang kanyang cellphone number, medyo mahirap. Ang sabi dito, ayaw ko. So, there is men and women crawling in this planet Earth na anak talaga ng ating Panginoong Hesus. Palakpak naman ito. Itong katotohanan na ito, dinala hanggang sa ikatlong langit.
Mababasa po natin sa 2 Korinto, Kabanata 12, talata 2 hanggang 4. Nakikilala ko ang isang lalaki kay Kristo na mayroon ng 14 na taon. Maging sa katawan, aywan ko. O maging sa labas ng katawan, aywan ko. Diyos ang nakaalam na inagaw hanggang sa ikatlong langit.
Kita niyo, dinala sa ikatlong langit. Kala niyo, isa lang ng langit. Yan po ang diferensya sa inyo eh. Pero, mag-click ka na, kaibigan. So, okay, ituloy po natin. Bakit 777?
There were also 7 heavens,
Yan, sa ikatlo pa lang yung sinasabi niya kanina, no? Sige.
7 planets, 7 continents of the world, 7 stars, 7 wise men, 7 champions of Christendom, 7 notes in music, 7 primary colors, 7 sacraments of the Catholic Church, the 7 wonders of the world, 7 holes in the face of man.
Sadyan po. Ngayon, yung mga nag-click, nag-subscribe, nagbilang na po sila. Ngayon nyo lang nalalaman na may 7 butas ng iyong mukha. Kung ano ang iyong mukha, yun na rin ang iyong salita. Pakibilang po. Yung hindi nagbilang, hindi mag-click-like. Pakibilang. 7 talaga.
Bilang-bilang.
7? So, tingnan nyo. Maraming tumanda, hindi nila alam na 7 ang kanila ganaw. Kaya mag-click ka na, kaibigan. Okay, diretso na po tayo. Mag-click lang yun. Na-expose na. Sige.
7th personality of Jose. 77 million Filipinos. 7th son was considered endowed with prominent wisdom, and the 7th son of a 7th son is still thought to possess the power of healing diseases and spontaneously, and on the 7th day, God rested. 7 Samsons, 7 lots of consecration, 7 pillars of wisdom house, 7 sevenfold sign of total commitment and dependence, 7 lambs to attest the conclusion of a peace treaty, 7-fold sprinkling of blood before cleansing was complete. Almighty has blessed each 7 portion of times in the sacred calendar. 7 year and also the 7,000th year period referred to the Bible, student as the millennium. 7 totally maturity, holiness, and absolute perfection. 7, 7, 7 numerically symbolized God the Father. 7, 7, 7 is the pinnacle of perfection, power, and purity. 7, 7, 7 is the word or group of words. 7, 7, 7 numerically expressed the almighty truth as the day of Sabbath. 7 annual Sabbath. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 AD infinitum or 70 times 7.
Ad infinitum.
Ad infinitum.
Okay.
7 perfect revelation. 7, 7, 7, 7 salvation and redemption. 7 priests. 7 trumpets of ram's horns. 7,000 selected men. Men fall 7 times and rise up. 7 women shall take hold of 1 man. And the opposite sides of the dice total 7. And the number of the foundation is 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7 Morning Star Foundation. 7, 7, 7 are the numbers of the secret book of redemption.
Okay. Thank you, viewers of Juris TV. If you want to read this, I will release to Juris TV for your perusal. Mag-click lang po kayo. Okay? Now, we go in question and answer. Don't worry. Papalabas po ng Juris TV. Thank you.